Click on the link below to get price. The NEMIX RAM 96GB, 2x48GB DDR5 4800MHZ PC5-38400 is a powerhouse designed for those who demand high performance from their systems. With its impressive capacity and speed, this RAM is particularly appealing to gamers, content creators, and professionals working with data-intensive applications. Installation is straightforward due to the 262-pin design, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of motherboards that support DDR5 technology. Upon installation, the RAM immediately boosted system responsiveness, allowing for faster boot times and smoother multitasking. The ECC, error correcting code, feature is particularly noteworthy. It provides additional reliability by automatically detecting and correcting memory errors, making it an excellent choice for servers and workstations where data integrity is critical. At 4800 MHz, this RAM excels in bandwidth, easily handling demanding tasks such as video editing, 3D rendering, and gaming at high settings. The performance uplift is noticeable when compared to DDR4 RAM, particularly in memory-intensive applications. This is a significant advantage for professionals who work with large files or run virtual machines. The CL40 latency may seem higher than some competing options, but this is offset by the higher data rates of DDR5. In real-world usage, the difference in latency is often negligible compared to the performance benefits gained from the increased speed and capacity. While the aesthetics of this RAM may be understated, it is built with quality in mind, offering durability that can withstand the rigors of heavy usage. The thermal performance is commendable, as it remains stable even under load, ensuring longevity. In conclusion, the NEMIX RAM 96GB DDR5 4800MHz is a fantastic investment for anyone looking to elevate their computing experience. Its combination of high capacity, speed, and ECC support makes it an outstanding choice for both gamers and professionals. If you're aiming for optimal performance and reliability, this RAM should be at the top of your list.